Dear student, today I will discuss about transpose of a matrix. If A given matrix, a matrix element have A I J. I means row and J means column. Be an matrix order m by n, then matrix obtained by interchanging row and column. Row and columns of given matrix is called transpose matrix of A. Transpose matrix denoted by A dash or A की power T. For example, so let given matrix element have 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 2, 1 or 4, 1, 6. So this is element of matrix given. So now we find A dash. A dash is equal to, so according to definition, interchanging row to column, column to row. So now, so row, this is row, this is row, this is row, this is column, this is column, this is column, row to column. So now 2, so 3, 4 now change in this place and 3. So this is change this and this is change this, also reverse and reverse this, and also this and this. So now change row to, this is row, change to column to 2 and 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4 and place of 3 and place of 4. So also change 3 and 4. So 3, 4 and now change 2 right and 1 this here and 1 this here. So 1, 1 and 6. So this is A dash. So now A is this element of matrix and A dash means this element of matrix. So element are same, position are also same. So this is A is equal to A dash or A dash is equal to A. This is symmetric. So transpose matrix, transpose matrix. So now according to by definition, change to row, row to column. So now by another example, so now let A is equal to given matrix A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So E dash is equal to, so now row to, change row to column, column to row. So A place of this, place of this. So A and D and Z also change here. So B and C and E. So this place and H here and F here. So H and F I. So this is A dash. So now row and also column. So row to column, column to row. So A, B, C and A and B in place of D and in place of G, and change reverse to D in place of B and C here and E. So H right here and F right here and I place. So this is A dash. This is transpose of the matrix. Property of transpose of the matrices. For any matrices A and B of suitable order we have, so first complement of A is equal to its original matrix, and scalar quantity Ka dash Ka dash is equal to K also common out and A dash. So A plus B of the operation of given matrix, complement of operation of given matrix, A plus B dash is equal to complement of A plus complement of B. Also fourth, complement of AB is equal to complement of B and complement of A. So this rules of property of transpose matrix. Symmetric matrix, a square matrix A Ij is said to be symmetric if A dash is equal to its original matrix given. So A dash is equal to A, this is symmetric matrix. Aij is equal to J A J I. So now is how, so given example, so now this 3 minus 1 and minus 2 minus 1 and minus 2 and this is 3 and 4 and 4, this is 2. So now A dash is equal to, so row to column, column to row, so change 3, now place of 1 minus 1 and minus 2, also change minus 1 and minus 2 and 3, so 4 and also 4 and 2. So there is no change position of element, so same, so this dash A dash is equal to A. So this is symmetric. Skew symmetric, a square matrix A Ij I row J column is said to be skew symmetry if A dash transpose of matrix A and A dash is equal to minus A. So for example, this is A matrix A0 EF minus E0 G minus F minus G 0. So this is matrix. So A dash is equal to, so now change row to column, column to row. So this is A dash, so this is 0 0, so in place minus E and F and also in place E and F. So row to column, column to row, so 0 and minus G and in place of G and 0. So this is A dash and A, so this is A dash if common out in this, so A dash, so A dash, so my minus taking all element minus, so minus, so now this is 0, so E and minus F, so this is minus F, this is minus F, so this is mine and also in place of this, so minus E and minus F and also 0, so positive, so negative and 0. So now minus A, this is A, so A dash, so this is skew symmetry. A complement of given matrix is equal to negative matrix of A. So skew symmetry And another theorem, any square matrix can be expressed as symmetric as skew symmetry. For given matrix A is equal to half sum of complement and matrix, and A dash plus A and plus half A minus A dash. So this is skew and symmetric matrix. So learn it and solve it some problem of next video.